Hey guys, Gareth RPM Diecast, and today we have a Mini GT Nissan Skyline Kenmeri. This is the KUMA one. Really sweet. See, it's got the licensing. Now they did this in a blister as well, which I think is a Mijo exclusive. It looks like this, but it's in a blister, which is kind of what I thought I was getting, but doesn't matter because I'm going to crack it open regardless. So yeah, let's get this cracked open. Oh my. Huh. That is awesome. This thing is sweet. Little steelies on them. Wide body kit, Liberty wide body kit. Look at that. Look at the graphics. That is just insane livery on here. Now I have another one of these coming that's just black, but yeah, let's go take some close-ups and I'll be right back. Was the Nissan Skyline Kenmeri. Really nice casting. I love, as you guys know, I love wide body kits, but the Liberty Walks hit different. Liberty Walk RWB top two in my opinion over Pandem. Now Pandem is it's nice. I'm not saying it's bad in any way, shape, or form. It's just those are my two favorite personally, but it's nice to see this casting done. You know, they like Hot Wheels doesn't do the Kenmeri very much. They just put out that tuned one that I did. They've done a few of them. They've done a few of them, but not as many as like the regular Haka or the 33s or the 34. Actually, the 33 they haven't done very much of either, but the 34s or like the regular Hakas. But yeah, really nice casting. Love Mini GT, really getting into them now. I actually have a R34 Skyline over there. That'll probably be the next video. But thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, don't forget about the giveaway. Comment down below your favorite casting, and keep on collecting.